So what exactly does the where clause do? The where clause helps you to restrict the data returned from your query, and the where clause can specify a condition that can be met, and it follows the from clause immediately. Now, if this condition is true, the row meeting the condition will be returned. Let's look at a pseudo syntax of what our where clause is. Now, in this syntax, you can see our select statement, and we are selecting column 1, column 2, up until column n from the schema dot table name. Now, where the condition. Now, this condition is any column in your select clause or from the table, meaning that I could say where column 1 is equals to a certain value, where column 2 is equals to a certain value, meaning these columns I am calling are from my select clause. Or I could say where column 20 is equals to a certain value. Column 20 means that the column is coming from the table. So the condition here is any column in the select clause or from the table. The equal to sign is an example of a comparison operator, which we'll look at in the next video. And is a logical operator, which also would be explained later on. However, your condition and your comparison operator would definitely be a certain value, which is a value from the row in that table. Let's talk about comparison operators. Comparison operators are sometimes referred to as relational or Boolean operators that compares records in a table. Now, these comparison operators are of different type. You have the equals to, you have your greater than, you have your less than, you have your greater than or equal to, you have your less than or equal to, and you have not equal to. On the other hand, your logical operators are basically used to test for the truth of a certain condition, and we have a whole lot of them. We have the and the logical operator, which returns true if both expressions are true. We have the in operator, which returns true if the operand is equal to one of a list of expression. We have the not, which reverses the values of an other Boolean expression. So what that means is the same way we have an in, we definitely would have not in. You have the or operator, which returns true if either Boolean expression is true. You have the between, which specifies a range, and to return true if the operand is within a range. Then finally, you have the like, which is true if the operand matches a pattern. Now, this pattern can either be underscore or a percentage.